Good morning. It's another beautiful day in South Carolina. I'm Mr. Freedom, and today I'm gonna shoot the Colt M4 at some tannerite. I know y'all been asking for it, and Mr. Freedom, I hate to let any of y'all down. I'm gonna run on down past the creek, put this back, and then it's gonna go kaboom for all y'all. All right, we got it across the creek, and now it's gonna go boom. Right there, so keep your eyes on it until Colt M4, Winchester green tips. Let's see how many shots it takes me to hit this. I finally hit it.